So guys, we are in a very inconspicuous garage here, looking at Jules's car, and the reason we're here is because Jules is going to meet the engine maker.
Okay, so and now you can move this controller to S plus, please. Or only moving it.
Turn it.
Turn it. Yeah, S plus.
Did you feel it as well?
And now you can play with the pedal. That's the GTR sound, the original one. It's not the made synthetic sound. It's the original GTR sound. Yeah. You can drive it like the electric car. You can also drive it in plus mode.
With S is just.
Yeah, it's a side. Go back. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's just like
goodness. You can tell the difference in sound, yeah.
But maybe because you got the door open as well.
When you drive it, when you drive it and the car shifts, you feel it in your body.
Okay.
Yeah, it's completely similar to the two wheels.
When you have the door shut, maybe it would feel when you're in the mood and that.
No more energy. Battery system directly on the chassis, and there where you sit, you don't have battery packs. Yeah, so it's called the foot garage.
Oh, really?
That you don't have your knees at the ear. Yeah, like me, 190. Yeah, and that's perfect to sit in and have a lot of space also for your feet, and also with the head to the glass. Yeah, exactly. No.
Shane, the boot space is okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
The boot space.
Dead bodies.
Not for dead bodies. Not for dead bodies.
No, it is good.
At the moment, I've got to travel with very little luggage.
SLC. The
Yeah,
convertible.
I saw it. Yeah.
See, it goes down just like a normal.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very good.
Yeah, the rush.
And I like those back seats that are really
Well, this
taking
does
you.
cup you nicely.
Oh yes, it does. So we ran out of the battery. We ran out of battery.
No, it's still loading. But the
Oh, I like the roof.
key was not in the car.
And it's good, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
It's completely
That's
illuminated.
beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that is art.
And you can change the color with the ambient light. how your mood is.
Yeah, I like
And you
that.
can you can let sun go down or not, so it's switchable.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let me get in and try to start it.
So don't touch the pedal. So starting button first.
And the start button is not
Right, where the indicator would be on the right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was the telephone call, and now you go on S plus, please. Here, S plus.
And that's right.
Yeah, S plus. Moving it that way. Now you're in the program, and now you can accelerate.
Which is fun. It sounds like
Sound from the
and it does red zone, does it?
How then?
It's a fun
How they did it?
in which era of GTR.
The last one. Now don't move that button, please.
Sorry about that.
It's only for when you drive.
So I'll switch it off.
Don't get an accident here.
So guys, we are in a very inconspicuous garage here, looking at Jules's car, and the reason we're here is because Jules is going to meet the engine maker. This is a very teary moment for both. So let's video this and see this moment together. You ain't going nowhere, Toby. you are going nowhere. This guy's going to put you in the back in this.
If you need help, message us.
Okay. I will remember it. No. So that's the one. So that's the fully built car.
That's nice. It's my color, white.
Diamond white.
Because
Yeah, diamond white, yes.
I take it you never know the car it's going to go into, the engine you build.
What do you mean?
You never know the car that it's
No,
going to go into.
no. I only knew which kind of package it is. It's performance package or not. And
Yeah.
Because of the plate and on the computer system, but no, I don't need. I don't know much more about it.
I want to show you one number first.
Okay.
Because that number is saying thank you.
188,000. Yeah, that's great.
That says thank you.
That means my engine does a great job.
That's what it means.
And you're still happy.
And I'm still happy. Look, I'll tell you of the little consumables that I've changed, but not that many.
Okay, so tell me. Or show me.
No, top end.
Okay.
I will show you. Top end, everything easy. Injectors, that's super easy.
That's super easy,
That's super easy. Then the lifters, because actually the camshafts are perfect.
Okay, that's normally a problem, yeah.
So that's very good. And
The hydros are often a problem.
yeah, hydrolock can be an issue, but
Yeah.
anyway, the injectors brand new, easy.
Okay.
And together with the lifters, when we were doing this job and removing the camshafts, we did, because of the rattle, we did the phasers. But I did the OEM, the alternate way of repairing the phasers, which
Yeah.
is taking a part from a third party, open the phaser, change the plate to a harder steel,
okay.
and rebuild it. And I
Okay.
have lots of photos to show you.
Okay,
if you
that's
want.
nice. Yeah, just show me. I'm
I will.
interested. Oh, but it's super clean. This is super clean. I see you love your car. It's super clean. Oh, that's very nice. I not often see cars in this clean condition. That's very good. You are still a car lover.
So, I didn't want to show you something dirty, but actually, this is real. I didn't wash it since I bought it.
Okay.
The covers are new because I did the covers when I did
Yeah,
the lifters.
I see it, yes.
That's the only thing, and that is new.
Yeah.
But the rest is purely standard original. Everything original. This is
188,000 kilometers. It's very, very good condition.
and I'm only the second owner.
Okay.
The first owner, and I realized this probably was the best thing that happened to the car, was a lady.
Okay.
And
How much kilometers did it have?
140,000 when I bought it.
Okay.
It was well kept, and the only thing is I still find from time to time a long blonde hair. Not
Your wife said to me.
He was wondering if you were blonde.
But mine are not long.
But back then, you know.
So that's the little story. But yeah, that's all I had to do. No leak that I'm aware of.
Okay.
It just drinks a little bit of oil, but it's like, you know,
Okay, that's
1 liter every 5,000 kilometers.
I know. That's completely okay.
So yeah,
That's very good.
yeah, good job.
Thank you very much.
It's still on its original sump seals.
Mm-hmm.
So original ones, was never opened.
Okay.
Only the bottom end, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Because
Yes.
of when you do maintenance.
Yeah,
that's all.
yeah.
That's all. Everything else,
Very nice.
as original as it can be. Well, okay, no, this is not original. Well, it is original, but it's not from this model.
Yeah.
It's from the 507. I wanted the black look, and there was no.
It's looking way better, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
I really like it that way. So that's the only thing that's not original. Everything else is 100% original. The only other thing not original is hidden underneath here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But nobody knows.
Very nice. It's crazy to look at this engine. So since a long time. So it's been a long time that I'm away from AMG. So that's very nice to meet customers like you and see a clean engine like that. So that's also very exciting for me.
More selfies with an engine background.
With regards to this engine, how many hours was it take you to build this engine?
It was per day. I have to think about it. Like 3 engines a day in an 8-hour day. So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
That was the time.
2.5, 2 hours 45.
Yeah.
something like
Yeah.
this.
That's good going to build the engine in that time.
you have to think about the 177 or 178. It's only 2.3 at my time per day.
Yeah.
So it needs a little bit longer. So I think it was more than 100 pieces more than this one.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's cool. It's cool for you to meet the engine, actually.
Yeah, of course. Because I love this engine, and this is the one I love the most.
Yeah.
Because it had no turbo and so on. And it's only 6.2 liters. So yeah.
And yeah, there's very little that can go wrong.
And it was the time where I do the plate by myself on it. So
you
newer
stuck
ones,
it
it's
yourself.
only the plastic stuff, and
Yes.
you keep it on the engine when they will send it to the places, in Bremen or something.
Yeah.
So and on this engine we put it by ourselves.
You put it on there yourself.
Yeah. So this was a.
So if it's crooked, you know who to blame. You know if it's on the crooked.
Of course.
Yeah,
Of course, yes.
that's really cool.
This was the last step, no? It was the last step.
The very last
After the oil filling, so we're doing the plates on, and yeah, this was an emotionally moment.
Yeah, and the plenum is magnesium, so really needs to be well kept, well cleaned,
Yeah.
and make sure that the PCV valve is kept clean. So that's making sure that everything stays neat and nice. But as you can see, I bought it very clean, and
Of course.
I'm keeping it.
And you're keeping it clean. Yes.
Yeah, I was very lucky.
Not this much horsepower. It's than the new ones, but yeah, of course, this is the time.
Look, the only constraint is the heat.
Yeah.
So yeah, it does a little less than the same engine in the CLS, but what's wrong with that anyway? Look, anyway, the extra horsepower, it's what 50 more horsepower in the CLS, and that is like perched so high in the revs anyway.
Yeah, that's right.
And for me, this engine and the sound of the exhaust is
Crazy.
You can't beat
Can't
that.
get better. You can't get better.
And I don't think they've ever got better. That is the one. That is the OG. You know of the sound.
Yeah, I think the same way. So 2 years, three per day. So I think that must be in a month. 5 days. It's 15, 30. I think so. 1,000, 1,500, like that.
1,700 it would be the max, yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah. I
Wow.
think so.
That's impressive.
Which kind of my own signature?
That one.
Yeah, you have to imagine you do this on a glass 3D on computer. So I will try to do it. But
Not easy, right?
no, it's not easy. But I have to train it, I think.
I have another piece of paper.
The next piece he wants you to sign is an interior trim.
No. That would really be too much.
Yeah, I think I will get it. Not exactly, but on which part you want it?
Well, anywhere comfortable for you, but I guess here.
Okay.
I have a second hat in case.
I don't get it exactly, but I hope it's okay for you.
It looks pretty nice.
Good. Yeah, it's good.
It's pretty good. Maybe we try it with...
Should I do something around or?
Now, you know what? We're gonna try with the other one, just in case it works better. Because I took an outdoor one, but this one is actually paint. So let's see if it works better. Hold on. Let me do this for
Toby's never getting out of it.
you. Well, it depends. Maybe one will work better.
I have to say, guys, this has made my day, and I'm not even involved. It's not even like my car or anything, but it's just like, it's cool. Absolutely.
I think this one is getting better.
Yes, I think this one is better.
You've got another 2 caps there.
Sign on
Yes.
the skin.
You need a tattoo from me?
Yeah. That would be great. Okay, yeah, tattooed somewhere. No, maybe not.
Maybe not. I think your wife can have a little bit of problem for a bit.
Yeah, that would be weird. So no.
Well, a tattoo of his face, yeah, that would be.
Yeah. I think
That's awesome.
I think this is all